Let's start with the energy mode. To activate it, just tap the screen. You'll see the energy saver button right here. Tap it again if you want to switch it back to energy saving mode. Over here, you've got your settings, your home button, and your stop button. This is your counter, where you can see how many prints you've made. Let's take a look at the copy screen. From here, you can adjust different settings. Even though this is a black and white machine, you can still change the copy ratio and select which paper tray to use, depending on how you want to print. Then we've got your finishing options, which control how the pages come out. You can choose to staple or group them, or collate if needed, whatever works best for your documents. You can also save your favorite settings here, so you don't have to reconfigure everything each time. There's a section for double-sided printing too, with options like 1:2, 2:2, 2:1, or even booklet-style layouts. You can adjust the density and select the original type, whether it's text, a photo, or a map. Once you've chosen your settings, the machine will automatically adjust everything for the best output. Next is Scan and Send. You'll see your address book, one-touch buttons, which work like favorites, and the option to add a new destination. In the print section, you can choose between personal or shared jobs. You'll see what's waiting to be printed, what's already been printed, and any scheduled prints, including when they're set to run, how many copies, and who sent them. One of my favorite features is the built-in tutorial. It walks you through different functions, like customizing your home screen or setting up shortcuts. Another nice feature is in the copy section. If you're not sure how you want your pages folded or finished, it gives you a preview of the available options. There's also a QR code you can scan that takes you straight to the manufacturer's website, where you can access the full manual. Now, over to the status monitor. This shows you the status of all your jobs: copy, print, send, receive, store, and also your consumables, like toner and paper. You can even check stored backup files here. The consumables section gives you a quick rundown on your supplies. It'll show you the toner levels, the cartridge code, and the status of your waste toner. If you ever need to reorder anything, it'll let you know. To go back to the main screen, just tap the home button. And right here, it'll also alert you if any trays are running low on paper or if your toner's getting low. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, follow and subscribe here and on our other channels.